Hi, P4. Welcome back to English lesson. Today you are going to study about animal matters in Unit 7 Australia. Everyone now open your learner's book on page 100. So you are going to study about animal matters, animals in Australia, and also study about infinitive of purpose in use of English. Now, get started. Okay, so let's read first a text in part 2 on page 100. Okay, and then later you will know what animals are endangered. Australia is home to many unique species of animals such as the famous kangaroos and koalas. And then move to number 3. But did you know that some of animals are now endangered species? Endangered species. Why? So it means that large numbers are dying. Fewer animals are producing babies, and soon there might not be any left at all. So they are unique Australian animals such as koalas, numbats, Tasmanian devils, and bilbies are all examples of endangered species or endangered animals. Endangered animals: numbat, Tasmanian devil, koala, and bilby. Maybe some of you want to know what an endangered means. It means animals that may soon not exist because there are very few now alive. What makes them endangered? In our class later, you will have listening section and you will know the reasons why they are included as endangered species. However, maybe I can summarize the reason why numbat, Tasmanian devil, koala, bilby are endangered. So people destroy their habitats to build houses, or towns are built in their habitats, and then they also have got disease called DPTD. So that's what made them as endangered species. Okay, they are killed by other animals such as cats and foxes. Maybe they also got disease called DPTD, and people also destroy their habitats, build houses. Okay, now we move to use of English. We will talk about infinitive of purpose. So the purpose here means that there is a reason for something. There's a reason for people doing something. Everyone now look at or open page 103 in part 6. Yeah, we are now in part 6 talking about 101 in part 5 talking about infinitive of purpose. So the rule is you only use to and verb 1. Okay, you only use to and verb 1. Everyone now check. So you use infinitive of purpose to explain the reason for something. Okay, example here, human beings destroy animals' habitats. What did they do there? To build house and towns. Australian scientists are doing research to find a cure for disease. What are Australian scientists doing research? They are doing research to find a cure for disease. So this is example that refer the reason, refer some reason for doing it, okay, for something. And using to and verb 1 is the base form, okay. So in to and verb 1, you don't use any ses, even though the subject she is, and you also don't use ed, becomes to found, or that is irregular, or to looked ed. Okay, that will be totally wrong. And also into verb, you don't use any ing verb. So you never find to finding, to found, to building, to protected. Okay, so when you use infinitive of purpose, you only use to and verb one as the base verb or the base form. So you don't need any ed, ing, es, as. To stops, that's wrong. Okay, so to stop, that's also wrong. Okay, so before now, keep reviewing the topic and then we will discuss more in our EL class. Thank you everyone. Bye.